My name is Sahil. Welcome to Saddle Stories. We are here at TEMGHAR MTB Challenge 2020. We will be covering all the events, which will be the cross country XCO and the XCC and the downhill series, which will be divided into two categories of a hardtail and a full suspension line.
So here we are at TEMGHAR 2020 MTB Challenge. This is the preview of hardtail race line actually. And let's see, 3, 2, 1, dropping in. This is a flat section where we start off, and then a beautiful right-handed berm. Clear. Then one more right-handed berm over here. Then into the steep section, into the sketchy roll down, get slow over here, then into these steps. Here it's a big gap. It's not compulsory for hardtail line, so we'll just move aside. Then here's a beautiful smooth left-handed berm. Now here are we at the bottom part of the trail, and here's a skinny roll down first and the second, and this is the third one, the most difficult one actually. Then for hardtail line the drops are not compulsory, so we'll move from side, and from here into the finish line. So this was a TEMGHAR 2020 MTB Challenge hardtail racetrack.
Fuck! 54, 55. You won it, bro! Finally! Hero! Pashan boys on the podium, bro! Woo! Boom! Your third. Go. Right after. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy!
Yeah, I told him yesterday.
Yeah, boy!
Go, Viro!
Yeah, boy, let's go!
Go, Abhijit!
Oh, let it go. Yeah, dude, this guy's a beast. Good one, bro!
Go, Ilyas! Go, Gary!
Hey.